So here is how we can export contacts from the iPhone to Excel. So if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything and we can get started. So of course, there are more ways how you can do this, but the best way, if you ask me, is when you get an app from the Play Store, which is literally called Export Contacts, right? So this is what it would look like. Actually, even more apps with the same kind of like purpose, but this one, which is literally called Export Contacts, is the one I have personally used in the past. It is freely available, so you can install it as such, and it always asks you to give it access to your contacts, which you have to do if you want to make the app usable. So I'm going to click on continue, select and share all of the contacts with the app, and as you can see, I can export 100 contacts and I can choose the desired format. So there is the VCF or vCard format, which is essentially the standard way of sharing contacts between the devices, no matter if iPhone, Android, or whatever. But you can tap on it and actually choose a different one, right? So you can choose the Excel format, right? So I can pick the Excel as such, click on continue. I'm gonna get an ad because that's how it works, right? And you can just close it out like that. It performs what it needs, and I'm going to click on export again. And now, as you can see, I have the Office spreadsheet file type of the contacts, right? So that's what I have available. And if you have the Excel app already downloaded on your phone, you can use it to open this file, and it's gonna be fine, most likely, right? So as you can see, I only have a couple of examples, right? But I have the first name, last name, the company, the number, right? And also the stuff like whatever else like was part of that, like email and home email, URL, and so on, right? So it depends on your contacts, but that's how you can export it to Excel, and you will have access to the same contacts on a spreadsheet. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in the later uploads as well.